I think at the centerpiece no of all of is the budget, no, that very corrupt budget again. Why is it very corrupt? 'Di ba? Because ayan na naman, inulit na naman ni Bongbong Marcos yung ginawa niya last year, no, na the most corrupt budget has been eclipsed by this most corrupt budget naman this year. And marami na namang insertions, which is what you're going to get into, 'di ba? And this is why walang the trust ratings of this president, no, if you can still call him a president, because I've stopped calling him president. He's not a president. It just hurts too much because I worked for a real president, so I can't, no. So
Yeah.
his trust ratings are historically abysmal. Wala ni sino mang public official, kahit siguro konsehal, barangay captain, ang nakakuha ng ganyang trust ratings and trust and approval ratings. Was it -5? May isang survey -3, may -15, pero yung net approval ang sama, minus. Kahit na doon na tayo sa -15, ano, kahit doon lang tayo. You can see why gawa niyang tanga ang Pilipino.
Yeah.
Sa budget na ito, walang respeto itong president.
Correct.
Even that ICI, no, it's all he doesn't get it, and he doesn't get how important that trust rating is, because that trust rating of a -15 tells him that wala na yung mandato niya, it's gone. The
Yeah.
Filipino people no longer trust him.